Drive through the Florida Classics. I picked up two cars, which one was the Chevy Malibu, the 2017, and then I picked up a 2011 Kia Optima. So you guys saw a little bit of the body damage, but now I have a lot more time on my hands. I have it here at my office, so we're going to be going over all the problems that we have with it, and we're going to be going over how we're going to be fixing that. So let's go outside and go check it out. All right, guys, so this is it right here. This is the 2011 Kia Optima. The car is beautiful. It's an EX model, so it has dual sunroofs, pretty much a panorama roof. It has the keyless entry. So right here on the door, you just push this button and you're able to unlock all the doors. I don't have the key on me right now, so it doesn't unlock, but let's just take a quick walk around. I'm gonna show you guys the inside, the outside, and then we'll go over, what we're gonna fix on this car. All right, let's get it. Navigation, it's got heated seats, it's got AC seats, it's got everything that you need in a car, and it's very affordable. This car is going to be financed just for around like $10,500, so your payment should be less than, like guaranteed less than $400 a month. So this is going to be nice, affordable, and not only that, it's getting like 25 to 30 miles per gallon. It's got a 4-cylinder that's extremely fast. This is the limited model. I know you guys see the sunroof. So if you guys are interested, go over to the website, rollingmotors321.com. Make sure you guys apply. I'll be able to work on your applications immediately and get right back to you. But like I said, there is some issues with this car, so let's go ahead and address those, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm gonna fix those problems. All right, so here goes the bulk of it right here. This is the main issue right here. And as you can see, this outside door handle does not work. It does work as far as the electronics, and the mirror still works the way that it should, which it should because there's no damage up there. But you guys can see right down here, it looks like it was just judo chop, just judo chop right there on the side. So what are we gonna do about this, you guys might ask? Now, I went to a repair shop, and I don't wanna give the guy's name out, but let's see if I left his card right here. I'm gonna cover his name, but you guys can see right there, I went to Mako, guys. And for Mako, he wanted to cover up this back side of the door. He wanted to fix this door, which he told me either way I'm gonna have to buy a new door. And then he said something about blending it in. So for this whole side, he was gonna tell me that it was gonna be around $1,000. $1,000 to fix this, guys. There's no way in hell I'm gonna pay that much money. So what I did was, I took his advice. He says I'm gonna get a new door either way. So why not just buy a new door that's the same exact color, and we don't have to worry about painting anything. So I found a white door, I ordered it, it's gonna be off today, and I'll be able to go and pick it up, or they're gonna deliver it to me, which is even better. And then I got a guy I will introduce you guys to and he's gonna put it on for me, man. He doesn't even know yet, but I got a good feeling that he's gonna do it for the best price around. That's the reason why I'm thinking about him right now. So guys, if you haven't, man, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We are gonna be flipping this car. We're gonna get it out of here. We got a couple more cars over here on the side, the Chrysler. We got the Kia Rio. We got the Ruton, the Tahoe. You know, we got some cars out here, guys, so we doing our thing. But yeah, I definitely need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. We need to get up to 1,000 as quickly as possible. So if you guys are entrepreneurs, you guys are hustlers, you guys flipping cars, whatever you want to call it, make sure you guys subscribe, man. I appreciate you guys. And let me take you guys inside and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about as far as what we're gonna do and where we're gonna find some parts at. All right, so on the inside here, can't forget, we did order a door handle. So the door handle was broken when we got it, which is typical. That is very typical. So we'll actually do a video on this door handle when it comes in. But you guys can see the interior. It's got that upgraded sound system. It's got the dual panorama sunroofs, the leather seats, the heated and the cool seats like I mentioned before. This car has every bell and whistle that you need. So we gotta hurry up and get this door so I can show you exactly where we're gonna find the door at on the outside there. And we're gonna get everything all replaced, all right, guys? Stay tuned for more. All right, now let's get started. All right, so there's a couple different websites that you can use, or you can do it the old-fashioned way and just contact every junkyard that's in your area and just ask them exactly, hey, listen, I have this year, this make, this model of vehicle, and this is the part I'm looking for. And of course, they're gonna be able to let you know through their database exactly where to find it, how much it's gonna be, and possibly if they can even ship it to you, which is excellent for somebody like me. So I went onto this website, and if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more, you guys are gonna have to comment so that way we can have a good conversation. I also need you guys to subscribe. But anyways, I went over to this website. I'm not giving any information because they're not paying me, so why am I sharing everything? You know what I mean? Anyways, let's get to the point. I went over to this website. I looked up my exact car. I looked up the door. I made sure it was the right door, which is the right front, which is the passenger side door. And guys, can you guys guess how much I found the door for? You guys would never guess like how much I bought this whole door. It's a whole door. The whole door I bought, right? So I go online and I'm checking them and I see that 500, I'm seeing 400, I'm seeing 175, I'm seeing 200. I'm seeing all these crazy numbers, right? I was able to buy the same exact color freaking door and everything, and this door looks spotless. The door looks amazing. It looks like there's no issues with it whatsoever. I was able to buy this door for under $200, guys, under $200. So when you're buying a car and it has some damage in it, just be careful that the damage isn't anywhere where it's a hard pinch where you're gonna have to, you know, there's no ways of getting around it by just buying a part like how I am right now. But take your time, make sure it's worth it. But I was able to find this part for under $200. Now, if I go over and I pay this guy $100 to help me install it, that's about $300 that I'm gonna be into this car for replacing the door and paying for the labor. Now, when it comes down to the door handle is only gonna be about, what, $10, maybe $20 on Amazon. That's where I usually buy the door handles from. So I'll buy the door handle from Amazon, and I'll bring another video to you guys on this one so that way you guys will know exactly how to install it, all right? I'll bring another video for the door. As soon as that gets in here, I'm gonna document everything for you guys. So this is just gonna be part 1, and I think we're gonna try to do like maybe up to like part 3, but I'll keep you guys involved with everything that's going on at the dealership, all right? I told you guys enough, but for real, no cap, I need you guys to go over there. Hit the subscribe button. All right, so I was able to look it up online. Here it is right here. This is the door handle. I don't know why it says PT, Auto Warehouse, KI, interior, inner, inside door handle, chrome, front left driver side. So that is the exact one that we need. It's only 23 bucks. I'm gonna pay the extra money so that way I can have it here tomorrow, which is also mañana in Spanish. Wait for it. Bam, check that out. So it's gonna come out to like $26 total, $28, which I'm totally okay with. I'm gonna hit place the order, and bam, guys. All right, so we ordered the part, we ordered the door handle, we ordered the door. The door handle will be here tomorrow, but the door will be here today. Like I said, guys, appreciate you guys rocking with me, man. I'm gonna be bringing you some more content so that way you guys can see actually what I'm doing with the cars instead of just seeing me pick up new cars, you know, once or twice or 3 times a week. All right, smash the like button, man. Smash the like button. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.